Hello, dear friends. So Samia here again. You can call me just Sam. So I'm still working on this, starting this body of work. I finished this diptych. I hope you watched the demonstration videos. Video one, this one, and then video two. This is the painting for video two. You can find the link below in the description. You can go and watch them. So then, and as you see here today, I'm working on the part 3 of this series. We have diptych, triptych. So then with the third one, it will be the triptych. In French, it's triptyque. Je ne sais pas exactement. So I don't know exactly what is it in the pronunciation in English. So anyway, what I will do, my inspiration today is I put them in front of me. I'm looking to the shapes and I will try to design something related, but not totally. It should be different because each of this painting has her own personality. But when we put them together, they make sense. So I don't want to work to imitate the same thing. I will try to have a nice composition, avoid the symmetric, and keep the design. It means a little bit different, but there is continuity and the soul is here. Yeah, the spirit of the work, the unity is here. So I draw the shapes, but really I don't follow them. As soon as I start working, I will forget about them. I know myself. So, but it's a good start to have some ideas, to locate in the beginning some colors. So please try to watch the other videos, video 1 and video 2, and try to stay with me, subscribe and comment to tell me what do you think, because will be working on this subject maybe for a long time. 9 pieces will be in this series, and after that we'll see what will happen. Of course I will work on other things too in the same time, but I'm very excited about this one. I hope you like it, you like the process. So enjoy your watching and see you in the next video. Bye for now, nice people. See you soon. Ciao.